welcome back to my kitchen.
Yay!
So today we're doing
burger dip.
Burger dip. We doing burger dip. I forgot that quick. Because I wanted to call it like Rotel burger dip or burger dip because we use Rotel to make it. But we're doing burger dip, and you're gonna need a couple of cans of this Rotel mix right here, guys. You're gonna need some ground beef. You see, I got this big old giant roll because I have a huge family, and some pepper and some onion powder. And you're gonna need some cheese. I got Velveeta's because that's the store I was in, and so I just went on. But you processed cheese, like you go to Aldi's, I use that too. But we was in one store, so I got what was in the store. So I have a large family, so that's why I got this big roll of hamburger ground beef, and I'm just gonna chop it up in there. And guys, if you use salt, any type of salt, seasoning salt, anything, don't put in this. Because I learned my lesson years ago when my girlfriend first showed me how, Juliet, shout out to you. About 5, 6, 7 years ago, she showed me how to make it when we was at her party one day. And I learned my lesson by adding seasoned salt or salt, because you use that big thing of processed cheese and that mix of Rotel. Don't add any salt. Add garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of pepper, but no type of salt whatsoever. I'm telling you. And make sure you drain your hamburger so the grease and everything. So I got this in here. My pan, I got my pan on medium heat. And that Rotel comes in hot or mild. Even in the mild, somehow, I'm adding my seasoning. It seems to be still a little spicy for me, but you may like it. And if you get it hot, they have the hot kind too. So guys, it's seasoned with my onion powder and my pepper, and I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna let the hamburger cook. When I come back, this hamburger gonna be done and drained, and we're gonna go to the next step. Okay guys, we're back. Go ahead here, Brandon. I drained off my juices. Add some more seasoning to it, because when you drain off the juices and everything, just add a little more seasoning on top. No salt, guys. No salt.
No salt. No salt.
No salt. This is my processed cheese, my Velveeta's. You don't have to get Velveeta's. It was just the store I was in. They didn't sell nothing but this.
They're like good diarrhea.
What? Seriously? Okay. Excuse that one, people. Yes, I'm using a whole block. I'm not using no other cheese, no shredded cheese, no nothing.
You never use no other cheese more? Oh.
This. Just this one low. Now I do have 3 cans of Rotel just because I got a lot of hamburger. Guys, it's football season. So I got some cheesy breads coming up for you guys.
Yeah.
Yes, how to make some cheesy bread with your favorite marinara sauce.
Oh, yeah.
At home. The best cheesy bread ever when you make it yourself. I got
you
that.
You gonna stuff them?
No, I ain't. Boy, no, I ain't a professional now, honey. I ain't stuffing nothing. I'm gonna stuff it in the mouth. Y'all gonna stuff it in y'all mouth. This is how simple it is. And pull in your Rotel juice.
No sour cream it. No sour cream?
Still?
Oh, okay.
The juices, and that's why I drain. Yeah.
Oh my God.
You can put some. This come hot if you want it hot. I like the mild.
I like jalapeno. The jalapenos were there.
Yeah, this is green chili.
Oh, okay.
That comes in here, but this is it, guys. Yeah, gotta let it melt, and we're gonna do that by what? Got my stove on low. Put my top on, and we'll be back. We're back, guys. Okay, while we were away, I did 2 things. Drain your Rotel. I haven't made this since last football season, so I forgot. So drain the Rotel because it builds up the juice, and I had to drain my cheese in my hamburger. And then I also added 1 cup of this triple cheddar cheese I had in the refrigerator. So along with the cheese spread and 1 cup of cheddar cheese of your choice, this is just what I had, 1 cup. And remember to drain your can of Rotel. So, and drain your hamburger. You know we drained the hamburger. So that's it.
Yum.
Serve with your favorite chips. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go still get some jalapenos to throw up in there to make it better.
Football season will not be complete without your favorite dips. You know, whoever team, Green Bay, go to Super Bowl.
Redskin.
The people in your house or your family and friends will love this Rotel dip. We have lime chips here, and we have plain original tortillas. Guys, or you get some scoops. It's hot. Right, okay.
I really don't.
I can't go inside. Wait a minute. Let me see. I'm going to try. It's hot. So good.
That's a hallelujah course in my mouth. Oh my God, that tastes good.
I can't say what I want to say.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, go back there. I get come on. Okay, I'm ready. Until my next video, guys, like, share, subscribe. Hope your family love this dip as much as mine do. Rotel burger dip. Rotel burger dip. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified.
You can't even finish this sentence.
That's so good. That tastes great.
Yes, it does.
So I did mixed veggies, roasted veggies with this grilled sauteed chicken sandwich.